What's up, guys? It's Amber. I'm with my brother Andrew.
Hello.
And today I'm gonna be eating a full week of Korean meals. So we're both half Korean. We're both at college right now, kind of in the depths of it all. I need some hearty Korean food to bring me back to my roots.
Food.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna head to H Mart, pick up some ingredients, and we're gonna show you our favorite Korean recipes. I didn't even tell you what we're making yet, bro. There's a lot of options for this week.
What does the H and H Mart stand for?
I have no idea. I feel like it should be Kmart, but that already exists. If anyone knows what H Mart means, please let us know. I've always wondered that. Okay, options we have for food. Tteokbokki, dakguk, yachaejeon, the veggie pancakes, grandma's tofu recipe, jajangmyeon, homemade, japchae, sweet Korean pancakes that are filled with sugar and whatnot, bibimbap, and kimbap. Is there any of those that you want to eat tonight?
Kolbi.
Kalbi, bro, I cannot cook.
Bulgogi.
You're pronouncing that crazy. Bulgogi.
Let's get going, Dan.
Let's get going,
We're
Dan.
gonna head to H Mart. We should try to make kimchi, but kimchi takes some time to
I
ferment.
cannot make kimchi, bro. That's crazy.
Kimchi. If there's a will, there's a way.
Unfortunately, there's no will.
I
So, yeah. Anyways, is there a certain meal that you want to eat tonight?
I love kimbap.
The rolls?
Yes.
Yeah, let's make
kimbap.
that. Yeah.
Let's make
Kimbap. If you don't know what that is, it's basically like the Korean version of sushi. Now we're gonna head to the store to pick up all the ingredients. Let's go. Whip transition. Whoosh. H Mart.
Nah.
It's kimbap time! And we're prepping the ingredients for the kimbap. Andrew's chopping the veggies like a boss. We got cucumber, avocado, daikon radish, egg, carrot, and then we have Korean spinach, so this is just sauteed in sesame oil and salt. And then we have our rice, which is seasoned with vinegar and sugar. And we got the gim, the seaweed. Before we went to the store, I put this rice in the rice cooker. There was like 1 gram of rice left, so this is like definitely not enough. So I'm cooking more right here. We got the sushi roller. This is the seaweed. You want it unseasoned. So we start off by putting the rice on the seaweed. And you don't want to cover the whole seaweed, only like barely halfway up.
Then we put the customer on the grill.
I was trying to talk like that guy. And the result is OMG.
Don't forget the bev. Never, never, never.
So this could be considered your roll. What do you want on there? Carrot.
Carrots here and there. We got some cucumber.
You can put multiple because you cut it pretty thin. Yo, you bit it to cut it to the length of the sheet. That's so funny. Bruh, I'm gonna grab the hot pot. Ah!
Don't you dare.
Ah! I'm dumb!
And now I wrap it up. How do I do this?
It's like a tuck and fold. While you're doing it, you gotta make sure like this all going underneath. Do not wrap this into your food because it's not food. It's freaking wrap. I'm messing it up. I'm messing up. Okay, squish it in and you use the wrapper to squeeze it under. Squeeze. See, now it's all nice and compressed. Squeeze and roll. And squeeze and roll. But not ever squeezing too hard. And then when you get to this end,
add water.
yeah, when you get to the end, you add a little water. Get some water on your finger and put it on the edge, and this will act as glue. Okay, I have a feeling this is gonna be like really good, actually. We did way too good on our first attempt.
Wait.
You can also oil your knife so that it doesn't stick on the rice as much. I'm gonna do sesame oil so it tastes good.
Okay.
Oil the knife, oil the knife.
Both sides.
Our mom is so good at cutting kimbap, I literally can never do it. Let's see if I can today. This is so much easier. Wow, this is amazing. There's our little kimbap, so yummy. I'm gonna do a taste test. That's so good.
Okay, your turn.
My turn to make a roll. Andrew beautifully put on the rice for me. Now I'm gonna make my own little rolls. Actually, probably gonna have all the same ingredients because I just want to put everything in there. Lots of cucumber, carrot. Oh, I'm putting way too much in here. Daikon radish. This is basically like a pickle. Makes it taste so good. Avocado, avocado. You didn't put spinach in yours, so I'm gonna. This adds a nice dark color to it, which I like. Oh, I'm really just sticking my fingers in there. Beautiful, amazing, incredible. That's what Gigi Hadid says to the chefs.
Beautiful, smart, incredible.
Time to roll it up. Squeeze, roll, squeeze, roll, squeeze. Water to seal it. Oh. What the heck, bro? That's literally for the rolls. How are you downing this with no sauce? That's so much rice. Isn't your mouth getting like stuck together? I think it is. Time to cut the roll. Ooh, the last roll is always kind of sus. Beautiful! Wow, that's a lot of spinach in there. This is the most stunning kimbap I've ever seen in my life. Taste test. So good. I love this. Andrew Ramsey at work.
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan at work.
There's a possible chance Michael Jordan watches this video.
Do you think Michael Jordan would be proud of this?
No.
No, I think he would be.
He has high standards.
This could never be good enough for
What
Michael
about
Jordan.
Michael B. Jordan? What the hell am I?
Yeah, what the hell? What would Michael B. Jordan think of this?
He would be proud. Does he have children?
I don't know if he has kids, but
Does he want kids?
you can give him them.
What?
What? We're getting our first roll with egg in there.
Snap.
Snapping the egg in there.
Snap it.
Oh yeah. Squish. Oh, that was a really aggressive squish, Andrew.
Really?
Oh yeah. Ew, it's weird shaped.
And I spit on it.
Yeah, and then you spit on it.
Okay, Amber.
Yeah, Andrew, that looks really good.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Why are they like kind of like really flat?
Be quiet.
They're like horizontal. How is that?
Oh.
I made this dipping sauce. This is soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and garlic powder. Mmm, that's so good with the sauce. You need that sauce with it. Our goal is to fill the plate so I can take a thumbnail photo with it. Do you think we can do it, bro?
Let's try.
We'll try our best. We probably would have had a full plate by now if we weren't eating it. Mom would be so proud right now. I should send her a picture of this. Plate is getting fuller by the second. Ooh, this looks so cute.
Kawaii.
This is so kawaii. Andrew, we did it. This is so amazing. Let's get this thumbnail. Hey. Thumbnail complete. This is awesome. Yeah, we did that. Now just one final taste test. Cheers. Mmm. How would you rate these out of 10, bro?
10.
10. Oh, that was really loud. This was so yummy. Actually, so easy to make. Now we're gonna eat the rest of these, share with some of our friends. So excited for the next meal tomorrow. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Good morning, guys. It's day 2. I got a pretty late start to my day. It's a Saturday, so I've just been moseying around. Took a little shower, put off doing my schoolwork. This is a balloon for my birthday. My mom sent it to me because my birthday was a couple days ago. But yeah, I just ate leftover kimbap for breakfast because we had a lot left over. I'm trying to figure out what we should make for dinner tonight. I think it just depends if Andrew comes back over because then he'll probably decide what he wants to eat. But for now, I'll give you a OOTD outfit of the day. I got a wonderful fall outfit on. Really feeling the weather today. So this long cardigan is from Love Bonito, and so are these wide leg jeans. They're a brand that originates from Singapore, and they make clothes like specifically for Asian women and their proportions, which is so nice because as an Asian woman, I'm very short, and most other Asian women are really short too. I am 5'2". I've never had jeans that actually fit me, and now look at these. I don't have to cuff them or anything. It's like they were literally designed for my legs. So I recently got a lot of clothes from them, and they're just so gorgeous. Like, look at this yellow dress. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this one. I've just been really loving them and like what the brand stands for. It just feels so realistic. Like, all their pants have like actual functional pockets, and they also choose colors that like complement Asian skin tones. They just have the best staple pieces, like very minimalistic, monochromatic, and they're all super easy on your wallet. They're just so great. I cannot explain it enough. So if you guys want to try them out and upgrade your closet with some pieces that are made to fit you, click the link in my description and use my code LBXAmber for 10% off your first order of $130 or more. Once again, go to the link in my description and use my code LBXAmber for 10% off your first order of $130 or more. I'm just loving the Asian brands during this week of Korean meals, getting back to my roots, supporting Asian companies. Now I think I might hang out with my little friend and I might have him try some Korean snacks that I bought, and then he might make dinner with me tonight. And I think he wants to make jajangmyeon for dinner, the black bean noodles, which is one of my favorite meals, so I'm really excited right now. So let's go. What's up, guys? I'm here with my little friend.
Can I be called Tug?
Yeah, this is Tug. I'm just kidding, that's not his name. Will you ever know his name? I don't know. And I brought some snacks. These are some snacks from my childhood. We've got the Golden Lady crackers, that's just what I call them, and dried squid.
Golden Lady crackers.
Yeah, because she's like, the box is golden, there's a lady. So of course she has the Golden Lady crackers. We're gonna do a little taste test and rating. These are like sesame seed cookies that are really sweet and salty. Balance of flavors is insane, unlike anything I've ever seen before. This is what it looks like. Lots of sugar and salt on there.
Comment down below your favorite tiny cracker.
Yeah, mine is definitely this one.
It's a little bit first oniony and then coconutty.
Where are you getting onion? This is literally just like sesame seed cookie. There's maybe some coconutty elements to it. Also scoot in a little bit. We just did the Nick Jonas, Priyanka Chopra pulling the chair in during the interview. And then everybody says, oh, this is so goals. Anyways, what would you rate these out of 10?
7.5.
What would you rate a Cheez-It?
Well, that's a different story. Can't compare these to Cheez-Its.
Okay, what would you rate like a sugar cookie from a grocery store?
Not very high.
I think these are at least an 8 or 9. Next we have dried squid. This was so hard for me to find at the store. Yeah, it looks kind of strange.
It's super uniform. It's time for everyone's favorite segment. Rate that squid.
Rate that squid.
This doesn't have that much flavor, to be honest.
I know, because I didn't buy a spicy one, I bought the plain one.
Not bad though.
I used to love squid when I was a kid. Squid seems like a scary thing to eat, but I was like munching that up as a child. Something about the flavor was so nice.
It's practically just like jerky.
It's like, yeah, it's like Asian beef jerky.
It also tastes like onion and coconut.
What? It tastes like squid. Just kidding.
It's squid.
It's squid. He's got big tentacles.
It's got the ink.
It's
Eddie.
I love those remixes.
He's a big goofball.
I think we've come to the end of this segment. How would you rate that squid? Like a 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, this looks like very plain. Oh, I did not even say, what type of Asian are you?
You figure it out. You keep watching the videos, like and subscribe.
And one day you might just figure it out. Every video I'll have like a minor hint from now on. Here's the first hint. You have to listen closely to what I said.
And play it back.
Play it in reverse.
You have to start the video over.
Watch
like
all
it,
the ads.
Like it, comment, watch every ad. No, but this squid,
okay.
I need to have something more than just what it's given. I need a little more salt. I need a little bit more
that good flavor.
oceanic flavor.
That's it for our snack haul. Now I think we're gonna start making dinner soon. Let's head back to my place. What's up, guys? Tonight we're making jajangmyeon. If you don't know what that is, it's one of my favorite Korean foods. It is basically noodles with the black bean sauce, but you would not know it was black beans because growing up I had no idea what the sauce was. I just thought it was like this delicious like beef sauce or something. Turns out it's black beans and it's so good. There's a way to like really make it from scratch if you buy the fermented black bean paste. They don't have it at H Mart for some reason, so my mom told me to get this pre-made jajang sauce, and I'm making it with fresh noodles. I've always grown up eating this and being like a microwave ramen version. There's a thing called chapaghetti, which is basically like the instant ramen version of jajangmyeon, and that's all I ever knew growing up. I didn't even know you can make it from scratch, so we're gonna be trying it today. I've been telling this guy about jajangmyeon for months now. It's about time we actually try it.
We're about to get it on like jajangmyeon.
We're about to get it on like jajangmyeon. So here we've got our assortment of ingredients. Tug here chopped up the onion. His name is Tug, guys. Get over it. So we got a white onion that is like very big pieces chopped up here. I got leftover cucumber from last night. Udon or jajang noodles. My mom always eats it with these yellow pickled radish. And we got green peas and the jajang sauce. And that's it. This should be really easy. This is apparently 3-minute jajangmyeon. So
nice.
Let's do it. Let's make this sauce. We got 2 pots of boiling water on the stove. This one is for the sauce. We're putting it right in. Actually, this seems really dangerous, but apparently it's supposed to heat up in water. Probably in a deeper pot, though. This seems like really bad. This one's for the noodles, though. We'll see you in 3 minutes when this is ready. It's done. Now I'm gonna take it off. Oh, that was actually hot. We're gonna put this to the side. There's so much powder on me. The instructions for this says to just pour it on top of the noodles or whatever. But I'm gonna put it in this pot because we made a bunch of extra veggies to go with it. Let's see if it is bussin' or not. Ooh! Believe it or not, it is delicious. So this sauce already has potatoes and some other stuff in it, but I added some onions and peas to go with it. Now our noodles are done. So instead of going through the whole process of straining it, I'm just gonna like lift it into here and hopefully that is fine. Oh, now this looks legit. Now I'm gonna put it in some bowls. Oh, ooh, hear that slap?
Mm-hmm. The sweet slap.
That sweet slap. I think that these noodles are actually gonna be so overcooked that it's like mush, and I'm so sorry for that. I think we honestly would have been better off just eating chapaghetti, the microwave noodles, because this was kind of crazy. We still have not had the true test of tasting it yet, so I should not be so pessimistic. Clean it up Gordon Ramsay style. Really drag the whole paper towel through the sauce, like into the noodles and everything. We got our 2 bowls, but the proper way to plate it is, actually I've never plated it like this, but everybody on YouTube and TikTok that makes this plates with some cucumber. These long, skinny sticks of cucumber. Gorgeous. I'm the Korean version of that Italian lady that makes pasta. Just gorgeous. This meal is so saucy, so voluptuous, just like you are. That's what she does in her videos. Okay, okay. And now we get the second cucumbers. Looking real nice and fresh. Let's dig in. Certain brands of jajangmyeon taste different, so I'm not sure if this is gonna have like the good flavor, but my mom told me this brand is really popular, so first bite. No, that's good. That's really good, yeah. It doesn't taste like black beans. It's just like savory noodles. What do you think?
The flavors are good.
The flavors are good? It's not the best jajangmyeon I've ever had. I still like chapaghetti the most.
We've got an interesting little texture problem with the noodles, so I think. Unless that's actual.
No, these noodles are overcooked. On the jajangmyeon scale, I would give this a 6. What would you give this one?
I'd give it a 5. I think this is a good start, though.
One day I'll give you the real deal. The microwave noodles. That's the way to go.
Sometimes less is more.
Less is more. I think that's what we learned today.
Sometimes you just gotta throw it in the microwave.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta throw that thing in the microwave. And that's it
For day 2.
We'll see you tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's day 3 and we're having a very lazy Sunday. I just woke up like an hour ago, still haven't made anything to eat, so I'm gonna try to make something really quick and easy. I'm thinking of making jajangmyeon, which is like a savory veggie pancake. Literally, it is so good, I cannot even explain it. And it's really quick, I just have to like slice up some vegetables, put in some batter, and there you go. I don't think this is normally a breakfast food, but it is a pancake, so I'm gonna make it work. Yeah, nobody else is home, so I'm just gonna be cooking by myself. It should be fun. I love making this. Let's get started on my breakfast. Here we've got our ingredients. We have zucchini, or this is gray squash, carrot, white onion, green onion, and this is our pancake mix. Also, sorry the laundry is totally going in the back. It's a Sunday, what can I say? We're doing our laundry. So now we just gotta chop all this up and we'll put it in the batter.
So for this recipe, you want all your veggie pieces to be very long and skinny, so I started grating my zucchini and then squeezed the water out, which I realized was kind of pointless because you could just put less water in the batter later. But anyways, I had a little drink of that, and then I started grating the carrot. And then I realized I actually want bigger pieces of veggies because the grating was making it too tiny, so I started julienning the carrot, nice and finely chopped, like little matchsticks, like my mom always says. You put all the veggies in the bowl, start slicing the onion really thin, and then you cut the green onion into these really big pieces. This is how Korean people cut it. They make the green piece really long, and then the white part you make a little bit shorter. So now we've got all our veggies, and we mix it all together, and then you add the flour mixture right on top and mix it all up. This will absorb all the water from the veggies, and then you add even more water to make a proper pancake consistency. It's a lot of veggies and not a ton of batter, but it tastes so good, like not vegetable-y at all. So a lot of people use this as a good recipe to sneak in veggies in their kids' diet because kids love this stuff. But anyways, you want to put a decent amount of oil in the pan and let this cook for around like 5 to 7 minutes. It kind of takes a while, but you want it to get real nice and crispy. So you can just let that cook in the background, and in the meantime, we'll make the dipping sauce. This is the classic Korean dipping sauce. It's soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, garlic powder, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. And that's it.
Lunchtime! This looks so good! I brought one little pancake outside. This is a veggie pancake. The batter already has like garlic powder and seasoning in it, so this is already seasoned. Then we've got our dipping sauce. This is just the classic Korean dipping sauce that like we dip everything in. Then I brought out some rice and kimchi just because I wanted it. This literally looks so good! I'm like emotional right now. I want to send a photo to my grandma, literally. I've been taking photos this week of everything I've been making. Just send her all of it. Time to dig in. Sorry my AC makes like crazy noise outside. So to cut up this pancake, people use scissors, and you just cut it into like pizza slices. Taste test time. I'm gonna grab a crunchy piece from the outside. Dipping it into sauce. Oh my god. Oh my god. Flavors are immaculate. Also, I love making this and saving it as leftovers because you can heat it up so easily on the pan and it gets even crispier the next time. This is definitely one of my favorite Korean foods. It's so good. This has been sitting for a while, so it's not as crunchy anymore, but sometimes you get real nice and crispy and it's so good. I am doing a proper mukbang right now. Usually Korean people put seafood in these pancakes and then it's called something else. It's not jajangmyeon anymore, it's like seafood jeon. But I just make the veggie one. Rice and kimchi time. Who the hell? Since when is that the Be Real notification sound? Say cheese, guys. Okay, yeah, this is awesome. I'll insert the actual photo of this. Oh my god. There's a freaking bug. Why is he so strong? Oh, no. Okay, anyways. Also, I should have brought a spoon. Why did I bring chopsticks? You can also put kimchi in this pancake, and that's really good, too. This is the best lunch I've ever had. Well, that's about it for my lunch. I have a lot of work to do, and now I'm feeling so ready to tackle all of it. This literally gave me the strength. Someone's in my house. I have scissors. That's my weapon. Okay, because I was home alone until I just heard someone clang around dishes inside. Every day, I'm like making game plans in case I get attacked. I'm like, nearest weapon, scissors. I throw this sauce in their face. Suddenly, they're blinded. Imagine that there's actually an intruder. I just catch it all on camera, and then I survive to tell the tale and put the video on YouTube. That would be crazy. I'm just gonna finish eating this and then put my leftovers away. And then I have to do a bunch of editing after I have paper today for my Korean cinema class. We watched the movie. What is it called? My Be Real didn't upload. Oh my god. Retake it. We watched A Tale of Two Sisters. It was a horror movie, and I'm bad with horror, so I thought it was really scary, but apparently everyone in my class thought it was like kind of dumb, or they were like, that was not scary. And I was literally in class watching the movie and like screaming like in front of my classmates, and then after class everyone was like, yeah, that wasn't that bad. So yeah, it should be an interesting day. I'll catch you later for dinner. Really quick, we're having a little change of plans. So I've been filming this whole week making Korean meals every day, and I somehow ended up with over 4 hours of footage, and it's all so funny, and I don't want to lose the funny parts of the video by compressing it all into one short video. So we're making this a two-parter, and part 2 is gonna be crazy. Andrew films the rest of the meals with me, and for some reason he is so unhinged.
I used to be a chef, culinary chef. I went to school for it.
Do some manual labor for me.
4 minutes on.
Okay, you know what? Hey Andrew, look above you.
What?
So part 2 might be a little crazy, but you don't want to miss it because we make some of the best recipes of the week and it's so funny and so good. So make sure to subscribe so you're not missing out. I'm going to post it in the next couple days, so you won't be waiting too long. But yeah, I'm pumped. We're getting 2 videos out of this. Also, don't forget, if you want to check out Love Bonito, you can click the link in my description and use my code. But yeah, I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1. Let me know if there's any meals you're hoping we make in part 2, and we'll see if your wishes come true. I totally just rhymed. I'm a beast. I'm a beast. But yeah, make sure to subscribe. Come back in a few more days for part 2, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!